Forum in Focus is coming to you from Amsterdam, host city of the Broadband World Forum. Behind me, the Broadband Forum and its members are staging the most advanced demonstration of interoperability the industry has ever seen. The demonstrations are showcasing some of the latest advances in both testing options and new products in the G-PON, VDSL2 Vectoring and TR-069 categories. Companies making real strides in superfast broadband from all over the world are here, and we've been talking to some of them.
I'm really delighted with the pavilion. I'm delighted with the commitment of our members to bring vectoring alive. Now, the pavilion just epitomizes the work of the Broadband Forum, right from the specification side of things, right the way through test and interoperability, and the pavilion really brings it alive because we've got multiple DSLAMs from multiple vendors, multiple different CPE vendors contributing, and it shows that vectoring interoperability is here for real.
Telebyte is here at the Broadband World Forum showing vectored VDSL2 testing with real-world noise. What we've done is we've measured the noise in the home, the ambient noise environment, the radio frequency ingress, the RFI noise, and we're playing that back on our setup with vectored VDSL2 Profile 17A, and we're seeing that data rates are influenced by the alien noise environment. And what we're showing then is the new innovative technologies, impulse noise protection with retransmission helps mitigate these noises, where we're back up to 98 megabytes per second downstream over a 300-meter loop length. So we have more than sufficient bandwidth, even in a noisy environment with impulse noise, AM radio stations, and noise from in-home, such as washing machines, treadmills, or refrigerators running.
It's important for the UNH-IOL to be here at the Broadband Forum Pavilion in Amsterdam because it shows the power of interoperability. We have 6 different vendors showing a VDSL2 G.Vector demonstration, and it shows the power of interoperability through all 6 companies and 3 different chipset makers to actually show that their products all work together in one cohesive demonstration.
As Alcatel-Lucent, it's really important to be here at the Broadband World Forum and to show it at the Broadband Forum Pavilion. We are committed to interoperability to help operators deploy both vectoring and G-PON based solutions. So at our stand here, we are showing the results we've obtained in a multi-vendor interop event for vectoring, as well as our certified G-PON ONT platform.
Being part of this pavilion is extremely important for Actelis because the interoperability between different operators, the ability to work with different DSLAM, different CPE, to work with vectoring, as well as the technology that Actelis is offering, is the key in order to enable a cost-effective deployment and much higher revenues for these operators.
We're here showing, in alignment with what the Broadband Forum is showing, all about what interoperability is and why it's important. And we've got a first ever interoperability demo here showing 3 silicon vendors working together and talking about why certification is very important for vendors to be thinking about when they bring their products to market.
D-Link is here because we have the capability to really service telcos across a large board. So we've really brought our VDSL solutions, our DOCSIS solutions to really talk to our customers, and there's a wide range of products that we have in the D-Link portfolio. A lot of people aren't aware that we've been very successful in LTE components and in cloud components, and the show is very alive with cloud and interest of our own solutions. In terms of the interoperability, we have a great range of products that we always submit into the test labs, and we have to come and show that to everyone. So it's really trying to make people aware of all the energies we put in and the interop that's already capable and already built into our products.
For Adtran it's important because our customers have a lot of different CPE vendors and different CPE chipsets. So for us it's important that we can have an interoperability with different CPE vendors.
Juniper Networks is a long-time member of the Broadband Forum. We make very pragmatic solutions that connect subscribers to the network services that they need. Today we're demonstrating an interoperable solution that creates a virtualized network that reduces the cost of ownership and increases performance for these services across the network and allows us to interoperate with all these other vendors.
under the invitation from the Broadband Forum. Actually, we bring our innovation here to Broadband World Forum. So here we have two live demos. One is software-defined access networks. The other one is cloud BNG. Okay, so the first one, the software-defined access network, is focusing on how to simplify access node to a programmable and dummy device, and how to do the virtualization of access networks, thus can reduce operators' OPEX and CAPEX. And the other one is cloud BNG. Actually, it's more focusing on how to do the open service programmability on the broadband network gateway. And so operator can offer fast service deployments and short time to market.
We are a CPE manufacturer, and we are concentrating on VDSL CPEs. For us, it was very important here at the Broadband World Forum at the interoperability demonstration to show that not just one chipset can do vectoring with this chipset on a CO side, but instead we do have products with a Lantique chipset, products with an Ikanos chipset. Our Fritzbox models feature all these different versions, and it is important for us to see and to show that you can do vectoring with all these chipsets, regardless whether it's a Broadcom, whether it's an Ikanos or a Lantique CO side. You can do vectoring with all these, even in the mix. That's the very important key for us.
So ZTE is very strongly committed in the international standards and associated certification programs and interoperability events. So that's very important to us to help us to make the products compliant to the standards and interoperability. So we believe very strongly in the work of what BBF is doing. So it was therefore very important to us to take part and show how ZTE delivers strongly in terms of the interoperability.
Okay, so we are Technicolor. We do gateways and set-top boxes, and here we are showing VDSL and vectoring features, and we are doing interoperability test, and we are verifying that our CPE works fine against several DSLAMs type.
So we are LAN, one of the approved test lab for the Broadband Forum, and today what we are demonstrating is an ability to test ONU G-PON, which is 247, I would say, technology, as well as TR-255, and that's for interoperability services. And yesterday, a report has been made by Informa based on BBF requirements and showing off that the market needs to have this kind of tools as an enhancer for both operators and vendors to create a better market on G-PON globally.